Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show guys how can we off guys dark mode in our poco phone. And guys, you want to on guys light mode, so guys you can on guys light mode in your poco phone. And guys, now let's see how to on dark mode in our poco phone. And guys, how can you off guys your dark mode, and guys how can you on your light mode. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to off your dark mode guys. This dark mode guys you want to off, so you can off from where there are guys two setting guys. First guys step is that guys you can off from here. And guys second guys, in your phone setting guys, how can you off guys, click on your display setting, and guys you can see your dark mode. And guys light mode guys, you will have to click here. Then guys wait for 3 and 4 seconds, then guys come back. Then guys you can see guys dark mode is off, and guys you can see your light mode setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to off dark mode in our poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.